파. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Πριν από λίγες μέρες ο κύριος Κιμ βρέθηκε στην Ελλάδα και εννοείται πως δοκίμασε ελληνικό φαγητό και μεζέδες. Θέλαμε να κάνουμε ένα πιο πλούσιο βίντεο γι' αυτό, αλλά η αλήθεια είναι πως όταν αρχίζαμε να τρώμε ξεχνούσαμε την κάμερα. Επομένως πάρτε μια γεύση από τις νοστιμιές που δοκίμασε. Greek beer.
Yes, it's really nice. It's a
Do you like it?
flavor really rich and different in the Korean beer. Really different style.
It's different than Terra?
완전 달라, 완전. 더 근데 맛있어. 테라는 약간 좀 라이트하고 얘는 딥. 리치하고.
Salado te?
맛있어.
You like it?
되게 신선해. Really fresh. 진짜 맛있어.
You tried the pepper? It's a little spicy.
아니야, 안 매워.
안 매워?
한국 페퍼 더 매워. 몰라요.
맞아요. You will try tzatziki?
아, 저요, 짜증.
Try tzatziki. What?
I have never tasted it before.
어때?
And
Strong?
very, very different in the Korean. Like it, but cucumber, cheesy, it's balanced well. It's really good. I like it. 맛있다, 맛있다.
Εντάξει, κάναμε ένα break και για κορεατικό φαγητό, αλλά αυτό είναι μια άλλη ιστορία.
When I watch it always in Korea in the history as books, so I had never expected about it when I come here.
To see them like this.
Awesome.
Γιώργο, this is γάβρος μαρινάτος. Ότε.
Sour and not my style.
Not? Really?
Different. It's really different.
You like it?
Frankly speaking, no.
It's not your style, but you are eating it.
No. I mean, I want to try that in other position, other things. I think it is better.
With the fava?
Because and I don't like it that kind of the smell and the taste.
Better?
Better.
Okay.
Better.
This is called stamnagathi.
Stamnagathi.
Nice?
I like it.
Do you think it needs lemon or it's okay without lemon?
I think it will be both.
If you don't want, you don't. Okay.
Right.
Usually we add lemon
Really.
at the veggies.
I like it in grease or oil.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. I like it in the grease olive oil side. So it's really nice.
Good?
I like it. Also like it. A little bit bitter. A little bit bitter, but
Uso.
Yummy. It's real yummy. Yeah.
I want you to try the eel because it's cooked differently than that we ate in Chunju.
Ah, okay. 생선구이. We call it 생선구이.
Mm-hmm.
The grilled fishy. So, okay.
Ah, wasabi.
Wasabi.
Good?
It's really nice.
Mediterranean way of cooking.
I think it is smells not a fish smell,
Really?
like a kind of a smoke.
Smoked.
For example, in Korea, maybe smoked chicken, maybe smoked beef smells. But,
Ah, really?
yeah, that fish is really kind of smell is a little same. So I think I make sure lots of Korean people they will like it. Eat.
Ah, they would eat it.
I make sure they will like it too. But it is I don't know. I think some people like it, other people they don't
Yeah.
like it. Yeah. But
How is fava? Fava?
really nice. So I as you know that when I tried it at Uzo, it made me really excited. So
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
I can drink every day.
Now that's maybe your favorite.
My favorite.
Μύδια αχνιστά.
Media Klista.
Let's try one and tell me how it is.
Okay, but people. 맛있어.
Like it?
맛있어.
It's good with ouzo.
진짜. 아. I think if COVID come down is when Korean visitors, if they visiting Greece, they must try it.
You will recommend it?
Yeah, I will recommend it. Me too. And everyone. 감사합니다.
Octopus with roasted potatoes. Please try it. Oh.
진짜 맛있다. 너무 맛있다. 진짜 맛있다, 진짜.
Okay, this is bacalharos.
Bacalhau.
In tomato paste.
Tomato paste in the fish. Fried
Yes,
it.
it's a white fish.
Ah.
It's a fish. Okay.
오케이, 알겠습니다.
Like it?
It seems like in Korea sells the name is a food. How can I call it? In some people, you can taste it kind of this kind of food. You can in Korea, it's a Chinese restaurant.
Ah, really?
Tastes similar.
Because it's fried. First is fried and then cooked with tomato paste.
But it is not. We cooked not fish. I think in Korean Chinese restaurant they cook with shrimp.
Ah, okay.
But sauce, I think the sauce is base is a little similar.
Which one was your best dish? Octopus?
Yeah. And that.
Eel?
네. 너무 좋아.
And μύδια αχνιστά?
이거는 I like soup.
The soup. And you can do papara with your bread.
네.
With
진짜
bread.
맛있어. 이거는 like 뭐 hangover?
Hangover soup.
If I have more brain, I can put the music.
Aha. That's a really Greek style.
Mm.
Παπάρα.
Παπάρα. 맛있어.